Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Webflow to Shopify. First, understand that Webflow is a design and content management system, while Shopify is an e-commerce platform. They serve different primary functions. Direct, native integration for a full e-commerce store isn't available, so we'll explore the most effective workaround. This involves using specific tools to bridge the gap, allowing you to leverage Webflow's design power with Shopify's robust sales features. Since Webflow and Shopify don't natively speak the same language for e-commerce, third-party integration platforms become essential. Tools like Zapier or Make act as a bridge, allowing you to automate tasks. For example, when you add a new product in Shopify, these platforms can automatically create a corresponding item in Webflow or vice versa. This ensures your product listings and inventory stay consistent across both platforms, saving you significant manual effort. Another powerful method involves using Shopify's buy buttons. You can generate these buttons directly from your Shopify admin and then embed them into any page on your Webflow site. When a customer clicks a buy button, they are taken directly to a secure Shopify checkout, or the item is added to a Shopify-powered cart. This approach keeps the entire purchasing process within Shopify's secure environment, while your Webflow site handles the beautiful product display and content. For advanced users, custom code can offer even greater flexibility, though it requires more technical expertise. You might use Webflow's powerful CMS to manage product descriptions and images, then link these dynamically to your Shopify products. This allows for a truly unique user experience. Remember, the key is to leverage each platform's strengths. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial mindset, check out the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in building long-term wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.